Assalamualaikum my beloved students. Hope you all doing good. Today we'll begin with the new chapter, that is cube and cube roots. It is similar to the square and square roots. So today in this video we'll see introductory part of this chapter, and once you will understand the introductory part, then you can do this chapter very smoothly. So let's try to understand what is cube and cube roots. So cube, general meaning of cube is it is a three-dimensional figure. This is the cube, right? Three-dimensional 3D figure made of 6 equal square sides. Means these are 1, this front, back, top, bottom, left and right. Okay, so three-dimensional figure. But in this chapter we have to study about the perfect cubes or the cube number. Okay, so we have seen square. So in square what we have seen, if the power is 2 or if the same number will multiply 2 times, then will give you square. So here cube means what? Cube means if the power is 3, here 3, then you will speak it as cube, 2 cube, right? And what's the meaning of that? 2 will get multiplied 3 times, 1, 2 and 3, and will give you 8. So this 8 is known as the cube of 2. Okay, so what is a cube number or a perfect cube? It is a number which is the product of 3 same numbers. Means by multiplying 3 same numbers, you will get a cube number or a perfect cube. Okay, suppose 1, cube of 1, then 1 multiply by 1 multiply by 1. 1 will get multiplied 3 times. So you will get the cube of 1. Similar way, 3, cube of 3. So 3 into 3 into 3. So 3 3s are 9 and 9 3s are 27. So 27 will be the cube of 3. Okay. So if the number will get multiplied 3 times, then we'll give you the cube number. Understood? Okay. Now what is the cube root? I already told you in square and square root that square root is the inverse operation of square. So similar way here, cube root is the inverse operation of cube. So here this is the symbol of cube root. Here in square root we have simply written as square root, right? Means the power is 2. Here the power is 3. That's why here we have written 3. So this is called as cube root. So cube root of 8. तो 8 के लिए आपने कौन से नंबर को 3 टाइम्स मल्टीप्लाई किया? हमने 2 को 3 टाइम्स मल्टीप्लाई किया. So 2 will become the cube root of 8. Understood? Let's see some cube roots and cubes. Okay, so here you can see I have written the cubes from 1 to 20. So 1, what will be the cube of 1 will be 1. See here we have multiplied 1 3 times. Similar way, let's say for 7. So 7 cube means 7 into 7 into 7. Now you already know the square of 7. So directly you can multiply 49 by 7, you will get the cube of 7. Understood? So in short, the cube means the same number will get multiplied 3 times. Understood? Let's move ahead. Now here also you have to see some of the properties. Don't worry, today we'll see very few properties, and this property is mostly similar to the properties of square and square roots. So here the first property, the cube of an even number will always be an even number, right? So this we have already seen for square, that square of even will be even and square of odd will be odd. Let's see that previous table. Here 1 is odd number, so the cube of 1 is also odd. Similar way 11 is odd number and the cube of 11 is also odd number. How will we define the odd number? If this digit or digit at ones place or unit place is from 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9, then you can consider it as odd number, right? Similar way, let's say 6. So 6 is an even number, hence the cube will also be an even number. If I'll give you 36, then the cube of 36 will be an even number because 36 is even. So we can conclude that cube of even will be even and cube of odd will be odd. Now let's see the third property. What's the third property? If the cube number have x as its ones digit, then it's always end with the digit as shown in the table. Not understood? Let's see the table will get clear. Here we are having 3 columns. Here I have written units digit of a number. Means whatever the number they will give you, it's this indicating its unit digit or digit at units place. Then here second column will be last digit of its cube number. If you remember, then do you know we have done this exercise in square and square root. Suppose they have given one question, one number like 44. Then they will ask you that what will be the unit digit of the square of 44. यानी 44 दिया है तो 44 के स्क्वायर का यूनिट डिजिट पर यूनिट प्लेस पर कौन सा डिजिट आएगा. ऐसे क्वेश्चंस हमने किए थे तो हमने क्या किया था, 44 में जो यूनिट डिजिट का नंबर था उसी का स्क्वायर करके हमने फाइंड आउट किया था. तो यहाँ भी हम वही करेंगे लेकिन हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा, क्यूब, because here we have to find it out for cube. So instead of multiplying it 2 times, here we will multiply it 3 times. So suppose they have given you one number that is 11 cube and you have to find out the digit at ones place, यानी 11 के क्यूब का ones की प्लेस पर कौन सा डिजिट आएगा. So here what will we do? We will do the cube of this 1. Okay. So 1 cube, 1 ones are 1 and again 1 ones are 1. So इसके क्यूब का यूनिट डिजिट पर आपको क्या मिलेगा, 1. सिमिलर वे 21, तो 21 की क्यूब का यूनिट प्लेस पर कौन सा डिजिट आएगा, तो उसके लिए आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा, जो 21 का यूनिट डिजिट है उसका क्यूब करना पड़ेगा. सो 1 क्यूब इज 1, हेंस द यूनिट डिजिट फॉर 21's cube will be 1. Similar way 8. So 2, what will be the cube of 2? It's 8. तो 12 के क्यूब का भी यूनिट डिजिट क्या आएगा, 8. उसके लिए हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा, ये वंस की प्लेस पर 2 है तो उसका क्यूब करो. सिमिलर वे 32 क्यूब, तो 2 का क्यूब करो, यानी वंस की प्लेस पर जब जब 2 होगा तब तब उसके क्यूब का यूनिट डिजिट भी आपको क्या मिलेगा, 8. Get it? Let's take one more example. Suppose 6. तो 6 की क्यूब में what will be the cube of 6? 6 6 are 36 and 36 6 are 216. So what is the unit digit of 6 cube? It is 6. तो 26, 56, 76, 206 हर एक की यूनिट डिजिट पर आपको क्या मिलेगा, 6. सब यहाँ 6 का क्यूब वो है 6, 26 के क्यूब का भी यूनिट डिजिट क्या आएगा, 6. सिमिलर वे 46 के यूनिट डिजिट क्यूब का यूनिट डिजिट भी क्या आएगा 6. गेटिंग. देन नेक्स्ट इज 8. तो 8 का क्यूब क्या है 512 मीन्स इट्स यूनिट डिजिट इज 2. तो 18 के क्यूब का भी यूनिट डिजिट क्या आएगा 2. 28 के क्यूब का भी यूनिट डिजिट क्या आएगा 2. ओके, so you can remember this or you can predict it with the help of the cubes. I hope you get this. Now let's say some examples. Find the ones digit or units digit for the cube of 27. यानी 27 के क्यूब का वंस का डिजिट क्या आएगा आपके लिए. So for that we will see the digit at ones place. What's that? 7. तो 7 के लिए क्या दिया है उन्होंने यहाँ पर 7 होगा तो 7 का यूनिट डिजिट क्या आ रहा है 3. मतलब ये क्वेश्चन में भी यूनिट डिजिट 27 के क्यूब का यूनिट डिजिट क्या आएगा 3. अंडरस्टूड. लेट्स सी नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल. फाइंड द वंस डिजिट फॉर 149. यानी 149 के क्यूब का. तो 149 का क्यूब कैसे फाइंड आउट करेंगे 149 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 149 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 149 तब जाकर आपको उसका यूनिट डिजिट पता चलेगा. लेकिन आपको वो करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. आपको सिर्फ क्या करना है ये जो यूनिट डिजिट है 149 का वो क्या है 9. तो सिर्फ ये 9 का ही क्यूब आप फाइंड आउट कर लो. सो व्हाट विल बी द क्यूब ऑफ 9. 9 9s are 81 and 81 9s are 729. तो फिर इसका भी यूनिट डिजिट क्या आएगा आपके लिए 9. Understood? So instead of multiplying the given number 3 times, simply you can multiply the digit at one's place. Getting? नंबर को 3 टाइम्स मल्टीप्लाई करने के बजाय आप जो यूनिट डिजिट पर नंबर है उसी को मल्टीप्लाई कर लो 3 टाइम्स. यू विल गेट द आंसर इफ यू वांट टू फाइंड आउट द यूनिट digit of the cube. Understood? So that's it for today. Till then, have a good day ahead and thank you.